Alright guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to create the desktop calendar for 2025. We are in Cricut Design Space. Here I am just going to type in desktop calendar and you can search the different ones that they have. I am going to do the school calendar because I think this will look really cute in my office. So once I click here, I want to go to, you can hit edit or make it, either or is fine. I'm just going to click on edit so you can see. Once it comes up, this is big. Let me make this smaller so you can see all of them. This is going to be for the stand, for it could stand on. And this says don't cut. This just so you'll see how it will look. So you want to, once you select it all, just ungroup it. And then you can take this, hold on, ungroup it again. Alright, and then you'll be able to take this one and you can hit the little eyeball here and hide that one. That way that one does not print. Alright, and then just go to make it. I'm not going to save it. Alright, once you go to make it, as you see, it's all print and cut for all of them except for the last two, which is the stand. You will need a scoring tool to do that, and the other ones you're just going to run it through your printer. Alright, so I have it on the first page. It's selected on that one. I'm going to hit continue, and then I am going to hit send to printer. Once I send it to the printer, you just basically select which printer you are using. I have it going to my HP printer, and I am going to turn bleed off, and then you just hit print, and then this will print for you. Alright, now once you print it, then you want to send it through your Cricut machine. So we'll come back and I'll show you that. One moment. Alright, I am back. I went ahead and printed everything through my printer. Here's my images. Again, I printed on my inkjet printer. Ran it through Cricut, my Cricut machine, so everything cut out. Now I just have to put it all together. January, February, March, April. Let's see. November, December. Alright. Again, this project was very simple, print and cut. Design was already in Design Space, so you don't have to worry about that. Okay. And there it is. Super cute. I made this design for my office. The paper that I printed it on was 65 pound cardstock, white. You also need a stylus for your Cricut machine, because it's going to put the little lines in there. The stylus is so you put the fold lines so that you know where to fold. So, use my ruler so I can. This line is very thin. Still can barely see it. But yeah, this is the stand for it. So there you go. And this is the mini calendar, desk calendar. Both of these are pretty more sturdy. But yeah, so here you go. Awesome. Alrighty, thank you. Thanks for watching. Again, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.